वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। तेनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We'll continue the abhyasa up to 80th sentence we have seen. Now 81.
Yeah.
वसन्ते सुरां पिबद्भिः जनैः नियुद्धं कृतम्। कीदृशः प्रयोगः?
कर्मणि
कर्मणि कर्मणि एव अस्ति। अतः कर्मणि कर्म परिवर्तनं कर्मणि परिवर्तनं न आवश्यकम्। सुरां पिबद्भिः नियुद्धं कृतम्। Translate.
Drunk people did prohibited things, but prohibited things were done by drunk people.
नियुद्धं युद्धं trouble fight fought कैः जनैः कीदृशैः जनैः
सुरां
सुरां कां पिबद्भिः सुरां पिबन्ति जनाः ते नियुद्धं कृतवन्तः इत्यर्थः। कर्तरि वाक्यानि एतावत् भवति। सुरां
पिबन्तः जनाः
नियुद्धं
कृतवन्तः।
कृतवन्तः। कर्तरि प्रयोग कृतं नियुद्धं कृतवन्तः के जनाः अत्र कैः कीदृशैः कैः सुरां पिबद्भिः अत्र कीदृशाः जनाः सुरां पिबन्तः जनाः। पादातोः शत्रन्तरूपं पादातुः पिबन्तौ पिबन्तः इति रूपं पिबन्तः प्रथमा बहुवचन सर्वनाम स्थान प्रत्यय परे नुम् भवति अतः नुमस्ति पिबन्तः। अत्र पिबद्भिः न तु सर्वनामस्थान प्रत्ययः बिस् प्रत्ययः अतः नुम् नास्ति पिबद्भिः। पुल्लिङ्गे सुवौजस् औट् एव सर्वनामस्थान प्रत्ययः तेषु परेषु नुम् भवति अङ्गस्य अन्यवाक्यम् वसन्ते कूजद्भिः कोकिलैः वनं व्यापृतम् एतदपि कर्मणि एव अस्ति व्यापृतम् व्यापृतम् इत्युक्ते किम् कोकिलैः वनं व्यापृतम्
The sound
Karmani.
goes around the vanam. The
वनं
the sound of their cooing is going around the vanam. Vyapti, it vyap.
yeah the vanam the forest is enveloped by surrounded by
Yeah,
or
yeah.
what to say
Kokilas.
Pervaded by.
pervaded by
Yeah.
Pervaded.
व्यापृतम् व्यापृतम् व्याप्तम् समानार्थः एव व्यापृतम् the entire forest is pervaded by the sounds by the kujanam of the kokila kada vasante vasantakale इति काल अधिकरणत्वात् सप्तमी वसन्तकाले कोकिल कूजद्भिः कोकिलैः वनं व्यापृतं कर्तरि वसन्तकाले
Kokilaha kujanti.
कोकिलाः
Kujanti.
कूजत् वसन्त कूजन् कूजन् कूजन्तो कूजन्तः वसन्तकाले
Kujanta.
कूजन्ताः कोकिलाः then
Vyaputavan.
vanam vyaprutam the forest is it's cannot say in Kartari like that
Vanam
difficult.
Vyaputam.
No kujantah kokilaha kujantai kujadbihi kokilaihi vanam vyaprutam vanam vyaprutavantah only we have to say vyaprutavantah but the karmani only that sounds better kokilaha vanam vyaprutavantah. In the same karmani, the sound of the kokila, it's understood. Kujat bigi kokila. Anyway, it's okay. Vanam vyaprutavantaha. That's just karmani. Okay. Then the dhatu, I think, prudhatu, purana, prudhatu is there. Vi purvaka, vi apurvaka, prudhatoha, nishtavrupa. Vyapruta. Okay. Vyapruta. Which gana we have to see because it's many gana. So that only we get the word even prudhatu alone we get purna also, but it is given. Same meaning purnavantaha ityartha. Kokilaha purnavanta fills up. The forest is filled up with the birds kokila in the Vasanta Kala. That is the meaning. Right. Next. Vanad nindadbihi janaihi anyasya doshaha na avalokyate. This is also avalokyate. Avapurvaka lok dhatu. Lokati. Yeah, lok.
Which
Lok
Kokila
dhatu.
is Strilinga?
Sorry?
Kokila is Strilinga?
Kokila Phillips, yeah. That's what the meaning is actually. Not sound of the birds.
No, the
Puja,
Kokila will be Strilinga, so Vyaputavantyaha.
Kokilaihi only. Why Srilinga?
Dinesh
Kokilaha,
is asking,
kokilaha, kokila, kokilaha.
Kujantaha, she's asking, would that be that is at the moment it is Pullinga. Will that be a Strilinga? She's asking.
Why? Why should be Srilinga?
Because Kokila is a Strilinga word.
Really? Taman Bhagavachan looks, for Pullinga and Srilinga, Bhagavachan looks same. It's not same. Bala
Oh,
Shabda, if you take Balaha, Balaha
Yeah.
will be there. By that you can say Srilinga. No.
Yeah.
If it is Srilinga, then why is Kujat Bigi is there? What should be there then?
Mm.
Kuja here it should be
Mm.
something like Kuja,
Yeah.
Kujanti is a Pratipadikam. Kujanti Bihi should be there. It is
Mm.
not.
Mm.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. Yes. Sir.
Okay, so Kokilaha eva. Nindad Bigi Janehi Doshaha na Avalokyate. Dhatu is Lok Dhatu, Lok Darshane Vadigana. Atmanepati Lokate, Lokete, Lokante. Avalokyate iti Karmani Yatra. Lavukyo, Avalokyate. Kena Avalokyate, water are not seen, observed, Doshaha. Tasya Anyasya. Anyasya Doshaha na Avalokyate. By whom? By the
Janai.
Janaihi. Kidrishaihi Janaihi.
Nindad.
Nindadbihi. Those people who criticize, they don't see the dosha. Anyasya doshaha. They see the dosha only of the others. They find fault only with others. Swa doshaha na avalokyate. Anya doshaha eva avalokyate. Nindadbihi janaihi. So in Kartari it will be
Janaha.
avalokante. Ke
Janaha.
janaha
Janaha.
avalokante.
Nindantaha Janaha.
Nindantaha janaha. Nindantaha janaha avalokante.
Nyasya dosha.
Anyasya dosham.
Yes. Anyati not dosha. Doshan.
Doshan.
Dosham. Yes.
Anyasya doshan avalokante. Nindantaha janaha. They see the faults of the other people. Swadoshan na avalokante. Chitram pashyadbihi janaihi chitrasya doshaha charchitaha. This is also karmani. Charchitaha. Discussed. What discussed? What were discussed?
Dosha.
Defects.
Dosham.
Tasya.
Dosham.
Chitrasya. Taihi, same. Janaihi. Kidrishaihi janaihi. Pashyadbihi janaihi. Kim pashyad
Chitram.
bihi janaihi chitram. So janaha chitram pashyantaha. Janaha
Tasya
chitram
dosha.
pashyanti. Okay. Janaha chitram pashyanti. So chitram pashyantaha janaha. Kartari, it will be like that. Chitra se doshaha charchitaha.
Dosham.
Charchitavantaha.
Charchitavantaha iti. Okay. So charchitavantaha. Ke
Vantaha.
doshan charchitavantaha ke
Chitrasya
asya
dosha.
doshan chitrasya doshan api
Chitrasya.
janaha eva.
Nindataha pashyan jana.
Pashyantaha. Chitram pashyantaha janaha.
Because Janaha.
Chitrasya doshan charchitavantaha. We discuss the defects of the picture. People who see the picture, the defects of the picture were discussed by the people who were seeing the picture. Prashnaha prachadbihi chatraihi uttitam. This is also karmani. Shastrai chatraihi
Guruji.
prashna.
Guruji, one doubt, Guruji. This 83, you can just go back to 80. That eva word we have not repeated.
It's
So
okay. Doshaneva. Yes.
okay.
Doshaneva. Here what Sandhi will happen? Sandhi will happen? Only Melanam. Doshaneva. But here Sandhi will happen. In this case, Asmin plus Eva. What Sandhi? Here Melanam? What is the difference between this Asmin Eva and Doshaneva? Doshaneva Melanam. Okay, no sandhi. Asmineva also melanam, no sandhi, right?
Looks that way.
Looks that way, va?
No, it looks that way. Melanam. Asmineva.
Check that, your homework.
Hmm.
Asmineva, doshaneva. What is the right one? Think and tell. Prashnam prachadbihi chatraihi uttitam. Uttitam. This also we have explained what is this uttitam. How the word uttitam comes.
Ut plus
Ut plus
ta.
ta dhatoho, then ta pratyaya. Ta is ta. And ta pratyaya follows, we know. Akara of sta will be replaced by I. Uttita. Fine. Now, Utta plus Tita. Here what's in the... Actually, previously it is Udd. Because of Jalan, just a Sandhi would become... it was previously it was Takara. Because of just a Sandhi become Takara. Then, after that, Karicha will apply therefore become Utt. Then after that, Udasta Stambha by that sutra. Here, Sakara is there, then Takara.
Replaced by Takara.
Sakara will be replaced by the Purva Savarna letter. So what is the Udasta Stambhoho? It is Sutram Asti. Sakara is Mahaprana, should be replaced by a, and it's a Kar letter, should be replaced by a Purva Savarna. Purva Varna is Takara. Its Savarna is Tavarga, Tatadadana. Among these five, which will replace the Kar letter? What are the Kar letters? Ta, Tha. So which one will replace Sakara being Mahaprana? Therefore, Takara will come. Then here also Takara is there. So therefore, and what will happen? This is a jar letter, Jaraha, Jari, Savarne, and this jar is preceded by a hal. Tasya lopaha bhavati. All these things we have seen. Therefore,
Yes.
you will have Uttitam Miti Rupa. So you get Uttita. Right? Anyway, Chatrahi Uttitam. Prachadbihi. Kim Prachadbihi? Kam Prachadbihi? Prashnam Prachadbihi. So, Uttitam standing up was done by the students asking the question. So, Karmani, Kartari, same here. Uttita Vantaha. Yata Uttitam, say ta prataya, Uttita Vantaha. Simple. K.
Chatraha.
Chatraha.
Pullinga only. There is no doubt here. Chatrahi.
Yeah.
Chatraha.
Pratama Bhagavachanam will be same. Chatraha. But the Tritiya here, from that we can make out this Pullinga. Chatraha. Otherwise, what will happen? Uttita Vatyaha will be.
Yeah.
Here, why Uttitam, Chatrai Uttitam? What is the karma here? Karma not there. Karma cannot be there. Akarmakatvat. Stadatu, standing up. What is the karma there? Standing, sitting and all, there is no karma. Therefore, it is Napumsakalinga, Bhave Prayoga only. Therefore, Bhave, Pratama, Napumsakalinga, Pratama, Ekavachanam, default. Even in Latlakara also, we have to do like that. What will be Latlakara Rupam? I mean, lung, okay, latta, lung, whatever it is. Anyway, Uttitam is past tense. Let us do let and then we can do lung. Latraka Rupam would be Prashnam Prachidbhigi Chatraihi. Uttisht. What Uttisht? Karmani it is. No. Chatraha Uttishtanti. Not to Chatraihi here. Karmani. Letter. I'm doing just simple letter.
Utstiyate.
So here also what will happen? Uttiyate.
Uttiyate.
Uttiyate. Prashnam Prichadbihi Chatraihi Uttiyate. Uttiyate is Latlakara Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Why Ekavachanam? Because no karma. Therefore, default Prathama Ekavachanam Uttiyate. Lung would be what will be the lung roop in Prasti?
Plus Atishtat.
Huh?
Ut plus Atishtat. Udatishtat.
Yes, very good. That will be Ut will be Upasarga. Later only you have to do it, not before. Atishtati is Kartari. You are doing Karmani.
Athiyat.
You are doing Karmani. Therefore, Karmani it would be Stadatoho Rupam is Sti Yata Astiyata.
Astiyat.
Therefore, Udastiyata it will be Karmani. Just a Sandhi will happen. Udastiyata. Here, that Sandhi will not happen because Uda only, not Ud. A is there. So no Sandhi Udastastamboha will not apply. This is the Karmani. Udastiyata. Anyway, if this is complicated, leave it, no problem. But just showing you, it will take Prathama Purusha Ekavachan. This is Lat Rupam, this is Lang Rupam. Okay, what will be Lot Rupam?
Udastiyatam.
Huh?
Not Uda, sorry. Uttiyatam.
Uttiyatam. It will be Uttiyata. Uttiyata. And in Ling it would be
Uttiyeta.
Uttiyeta. Okay. Anyway, so all these are now you're coming back to here.
Leave it on Guruji, please. Yes, thank you.
Now here, Uttitam. All these are just different lakaras, Karmani, Rupani, shown Prathama Purusha Ekavachan. Here we are having Kridanta Rupam, there it is a noun form, therefore Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachan. It is Bhave Priyama, not a Karmani. Karma cannot be there because Stada, that's what can take karma. Now, Kartari Priyaha would be Chatraha Uttitavantaha. Kidrishaha Chatraha. Prichantaha Chatraha Uttitavantaha. They got up. So this Kartari will be easy. Uttitavantaha will be Kartari. Uttitavantaha past tense. Let suppose it is all the lakara. Kartari. Let will be Uttishta Uttishtanti. Right? I'm doing let. Let means present. Uttishtanti. And lang would be Udd plus
Atishtan.
Atishtan. So Udatishtan. This is lang Kartari. Lot would be
Uttishtantu.
Tishtantu.
Tantu.
Therefore here Uttishtantu.
Oh.
And in ling would be Ut plus
Uttishtheyuhu.
Teyuhu. Bhagavachanam. Uttishtheyuhu. Okay. Saha Likhadbihi Lekakaihi Saha Sambhashanam Karoti. Saha Karoti, Saha Karoti.
Sahakaroti.
And it is in Kartari Priyama. Saha Karoti, Saha Karoti. Kim Karoti, Sambhashanam Karoti. Kaihi Saha Kidrishaha Kidrisha Tritiya called Saha Tritiya. Upapada Vibhakti. Okay, it is Upapada Vibhakti. Therefore, when you change the Karaka, when Prayoga, it will not change. This will remain as it is. And here the Upapada Vibhakti Lekaka, he qualified by Yashatranta, Likat Bihi, writing. So now Karmani it will be, Karoti will become
Kriyate.
Kriyate. Rudhatu, Visa Rikaranta will be replaced by Ri. Rikarantasya, Rikaranta Dhatoho, Rikarasya, Ri Adesh Bhavati, Yak Pratyaya Pare. Karmani. Karmani it will happen. Kena, Tena.
Tena.
Tena Kriyate. Kim Kriyate?
Sambhashanam.
Kriyate.
So, Sambhashanam is the karma which will be in Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. This is mentioned. Then Saha is Saha will become Saha only. And because Saha is therefore with whom he discusses, that will be Saha Tritya Tritya. And what qualifies that also will be Tritya. So no change will happen. Tena Likat Bihi Lekakaihi Saha Sambhashanam Kriyate only. This is the beauty of the sentence. Generally, Shatranta, so far the examples we are seeing Shatranta, changing the form of the Shatranta. Right? In Kartariya Karman. Here you can see. Because it is in Sahatratiya is the is also a Karta, right? He discusses with whom? He also, if the person is right, he also discusses, right? Paraspara. But this Apradana Karta. Apradana Kartakatvat, Tritiya Vibhakti. Pradana Kartanusarameva Kriya Padasya Vachanam. Pradana Karta is Saha Ekavachanameva. Therefore Karoti. Lekaka also Sambhashanam Karoti. It's not one side talking, right? Discussion. He talks means and the Lekaka also will speak. But it's not Kurvanti. Saha Leka Kaha Cha. If it is there, then Kurvanti. But Leka Kaihi Saha up. So Vivaksha, you can see what is the Vivaksha of the speaker. How does he want to say? He doesn't want to say that Lekaka also discusses with him. He wants to highlight only Saha. He discussed with them. So therefore Pradhana Karta is Saha, therefore Karoti. Apradhana Karta is Lekaka, therefore Tritiya. And many other therefore Lekakaihi. Lekat Bihi. It's called Saha Tritiya. Apradhane Yukte Tritiya Bhavati. Sutram is the Pradhana Karta is Saha. Apradhana is also Karta only. But what type of Karta? Apradhana Karta. Therefore, Tritiya Vibhakti. Tato Karaka Vibhakti Sahati Upapadena Tritiya Vibhakti Bhavati. Saha Tritiya is called. Okay. Generally, Saha when it comes, there should be some Karta, Apradhana Karta only. Ramaha Lakshmanena Saha Vanam Gacchati. Right? So, generally, you will see Karta only. You will not say any karma and all. Okay. Any Vakya you take. Sahana Bhavatu itself you take. What is Sahana Bhavatu? Saha. Yeah. Saha now Bhavatu. Okay. Saha. That it is karma. Yeah. Yeah, okay. It is karma also. It depends on how we interpret. The Sahana Bhavatu, Sahana Bhavatu. Saha now Bhavatu becomes Sahana Bhavatu. Similarly, Saha now Bhunaktu in the sense of protection. The sense of protection, therefore Bhunaktu. Bhujidhatu is Ubhayapadi. So here it is Parasmipadi in the sense of protection. Avatu ityartha. Not in the sense of protection, it will be Atmaipadi. Here in the sense of protection. Okay. Now Saha now Avatu. Kaha. So I think the Bhashyakara explains. We have to supply. Saha Ishvaraha iti. Adhyahara karta. We have to supply because Avatu Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. Therefore, we have to supply. Now is Tritiya Bhakti Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam. Aham avam ayam mama avam now. So there it is Saha is there. Along with yeah. Something interesting. Let me check also. I have to check this. Because how is karma and Saha is there. Or here itself the Saha, the word can be split. Saha is equal to Saha plus you can do Visarga se lopaha bhavati. You know, Visarga will drop and followed by a L of Saha and Eshaha we have seen. Therefore, Saha will be there. So Saha is there. Saha Ishvaraha. Ha is a particle. Now karma, avatu. Similarly here also Saha. Yeah. May the Lord protect both of us.
Explained as may, M-A-Y, for now. Now means may the God protect. May.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, avatu, lot lakara. Saha, now bunaktu, may the Lord. They are all the same thing. Protect us. Okay. Anyway.
Guruji, what is the difference between this Sakara followed by Visarga and then the Hakara? Does it mean the same? Or?
So, indeed, that's I mean. The particle. Okay, so therefore, may the Lord indeed protect both of us. So meaning.
Okay.
But it looks as though it is Saha is like a Saha Tritiya. But in that way also it is explained. I have to check, I forgot. But anyway, let us come back here. Saha. So Sambhashanam kriyate tena likat biki ekakaihi saha Sambhashanam kriyate. Tena. Fine. Next one. Janat bihi api janaihi niyamaha na anupalitaha. Anupalitaha. Dhatu is Pal Dhatu. Which is in the 10th Gana. Palayati. Rakshanti, I mean, Rakshay. Palayanti, Rakshanti ityataha. Protect. Palayati. Palayatu. Avatu. Same meaning. With Anu is, it means doesn't observe, doesn't follow. Anupalitaha. Kaha na anupalitaha. This is also in Karmani. Niyamaha na anupalitaha. Kaihi. Janaihi. Kidrishaihi janadbihi. Knowing they are informed. Janaha jananti. Yadyapi jananti, te niyamam na anupalayanti. Jananapi na anupalayanti. Okay, this is in Kartari, Karmani. Now Karmani, Kartari would be Anu, same Bhute Arteva. Anupalita Vantaha. Ke
Janaha.
Janaha. Kidrishaha Janaha.
Janantaha.
Janantaha Janaha. Janantaha Api. Make it. So here we put Api, this is emphasis is better. Yeah, that's why yes, put Janantaha Api. Sorry. Janantaha Api. Janantaha Api Janaha.
Niyamam.
Niyamam.
Na.
Anupali. Tavantaha. Karmani would be Anupalitaha. Lang Karmani. Okay. I can do Lat also. That is Lat Kartari and then Lang Kartari. Lang Karmani. Lang Karmani. First is will do Karmani and then Kartari. Anupalitaha is Karmani. Bhute Karmani. Lat Karmani would be Anu Pal Dadatu Palyate. And in Lang Lakara, Anu plus Apalyata, right? Therefore, Anbapalyata. So many other Lakaras it can do. Right? Anbapalyata, Anupalyate, Lakara, present tense, Karmani. Anbapalyata, Lang Lakara, Karmani. And here it would be both are karmani or kartari. Anu
Pranampa.
palayanti.
Palayanti.
Bhagavachanam. Anu palayanti.
Hmm.
And in lang kartari. Anu
Palayan.
palayan. Anvapalayan. So Anupalitavantaha is equal to Anvapalayan. Instead of saying Anvapalayan, Anupalitavantaha is easy. Otherwise, you can say Anupalayanti sma. You can say Janantaha pi janaha niyamam na Anupalayanti sma. Simple. In spoken Saṃskṛtam, it is said like Karyam kurvadbihi manushyehi santoshaha anubhuyate karmani. Again. So in all this, you can see the karta, if it is as karma, I mean, the karta will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. Karma will be in Pratama, karta is Tritiya, and karta is Chaturanta, therefore you will see the qualifier also in Tritiya, Chaturanta. Anubhuyate, experienced. Kaha anubhuyate, santoshaka. Taihi, manushyehi. Kidrashehi, manushyehi, kurvadbihi. Kim kurvadbihi? Karyam kurvadbihi. So translation would be happiness
Is experienced.
by the people who work, who do activities. So anubhuyate. So kartari would be
Anubhavanti. Anuputavantah.
This is anubhuyate is just a ranglakara, that is the latlakara karmani. So therefore here it would be anu,
Putavantah.
not bhuta,
Anubhavanti.
anubhavanti. You have to say janaha manushyaha anubhavanti. It is in present tense. Anubhuyate anubhavanti. Jana manushyaha. Kidrishaha manushyaha kurvantaha. Kim kurvantaha?
Karyam.
Karyam kurvantaha manushyaha anubhavanti.
Santosham anubhavanti.
Santosham anubhavanti.
Kam anubhavanti santosham. Santosham anubhavanti. Next one. Namadbihi bhaktaihi devaha stutaha. Namadbihi bhaktaihi means namanam kurvadbihi bhaktaihi. Devaha is stutaha, is praised. Lord was praised by the devotees who worship, who does salutation, who do salutations. So namadbihi. And sutaha. Ta pratyaya, therefore bhute karmani. Now, kartari would be bhaktaha
Bhaktaha stutavantaha.
sutavantaha. Bhaktaha kam
Bhaktaha devam stutavantaha.
Yes. So namantaha bhaktaha devam stutavantaha. So here, if we take suppose kartari, sorry, it's in karmani only. Karmani, lang or let. First letter like let and then lang. Karmani, let. Dhatu is tu. What will happen? Stuyate, right? Devaha stuyate. This is let. Karmani, let karmani. Lang karmani, astuyata. Devaha astuyata. Astuyata is equal to stutaha. Right? Then here it would be stutavantaha. Here it would be what?
Satavanti.
Huh?
Karmani.
And karmani. Kartari. Yes. Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha. Then Stunvanti Divya is Tavai. But actually it is Stuvanti. Stuvanti only. But it is there studying Stunvanti. Maybe that is Harsha Prayoga form is different. But actually it is Stuvanti eva. Stauti Stutaha Stuvanti only. Okay. Bhaktaha Stuvanti. This is simple Stuvanti. Stu plus Anti Stuvanti. Stu plus Anti. Remember, I told Ukaranda Dhatu when followed by Jadi Pratyaya, who will be replaced by Uv.
Yeah.
Therefore, Vakara plus Suvanti. So suddenly when where Nakara came, maybe because of some Asha Prayaha could be. So in the Gita, Dhyana Shloka, Stunvanti is there, but actually Stuvanti. Okay, this is Deva, Bhaktaha Stuvanti. And in Lang Lakare,
Astuvan.
Astuvan. So Stuvanti Sma. Dhavate Balakaya Lekanim Dadhati Kartari Dadati Ika Saha. Understood it is. Even though it is not used, but it is understood. In fact, there is a sutra for that also. Stananyapi Aprayujamani. Sheshe Pratamaha by the sutra. In fact, even though the Pratham Purusha, the word Saha, Sa, whatever it is, other than Vishmad form and Asmad form, anything can be understood there. Even though it is not mentioned, it is Dadati, because of Dadati, you can supply. So Ramaha Dadati, Krishna Dadati, Saha Dadati, he gives what?
Lekanam.
To whom does he give? To whom does the Lekani goes to?
The running child.
That's called Sampradana. This is a karma. Karma is intended for someone. So that someone will be Sampradana. Therefore, it is Chaturthi. Sampradane Chaturthi. To whom it is given. That's why we say Da Dhatu will govern Chaturthi. Not because Da, it is Sampradana Karakam. Da means give. It means you will have karma. And you will have the Saha Balakam Lekam Dadati also you can say. But it is fine. But better than that is Sampradana is better. Because what Balakam Dadati, whom does Dadati Dadatu, see what he gives and to whom he gives. Suppose Balakam Lekani, then how do you ask this question to get the answer? What does he give Lekani? To whom does he give Balakam? You can say, like it is said, like Shishyaha Acharyam Prashnam Karoti. It's okay. They are Dvikarma Kadatu. There are some Dvikarma Kadatu, it can take to karma. But when you say Balakam Lekani Dadati, it is considered to be Ashuddha. So that karma which is intended for whom, that is Sampradana, therefore Chaturthi will be better. So that's a Balakaya. Balakaya Dadati. Now Karmani Prayoge. Karmani means we are changing the main Dhatu, Mukhya Dhatu. Mukhya Kriya is Dadati. Dhatu Davate. Okay. So here it will become Diyate. Akaran Dhatu Diyate. Ka Diyate. Lekani Diyate. Kena is not given. And Davat Kasmai Diyate.
Balakaya.
That will remain as it is. Balakaya. Kidrishaha Balakaha. Davan Balakaha. Tasmai. Therefore Davate. Davate Balakaya Lekani Diyate. Okay. There is no possibility of making Davate to Karma or Karta. Not possible. Because in the sentence it is Sampradana. You cannot make it. Okay. Suppose if you ask, why not we make this into a Kartariya Karma? It cannot be because it is Karaka is Sampradana. Only if it is Karta Karaka, then we can make it Karma Karaka, or Karma we can make it Karta. It is Sampradana. Always it is, Sampradana is whether Kartari or Karmani. It is what? It is?
Sampradana only.
Hmm?
Fourth only.
No. Whether it is Kartari or Karmani,
Life does not change.
always it is Anabhigita only. Right?
Hmm.
Always it is Anabhigita. Anabhigita will be, Anabhigita Sampradana will be Chaturthi. Anabhigita Karana will be Tritiya. Anabhigita Appadana will be Panchami. Anabhigita Adhikarana will be Saptami. Anabhigita Karma would be what?
Kartari.
Kartari Prayoga. What vibhakti?
Dvitiya.
Yes, very good.
Tritiya.
Anabhigita Karta?
Karmani Tritiya Vibhakti.
Karmani Tritiya. Okay. So, only for Karta and Karma it is Abhigita, Anabhigita. But there are some sentences, that is also again Bhaktu Vivaksha, where we can make the Sampradana also as the subject, the sentence possible. Anyway, that we'll not discuss now. That is possible. Okay. Pakshapatam kurvate tasmai. Esha kupyati. The kupyati, snigyati, krudyati, these will govern to whom, towards whom the emotions are directed. That will be Sampradana. That is why tasmai. Tasmai it is there. Ka kupyati, esha kupyati. She is angry. Angry is akarmaka dhatu. It cannot take karma. But you may be angry with someone, but it is not karma. And towards whom tasmai is angry for the tasmai pakshapatam kurvate. Pakshapatam is partiality. So is angry with the person who shows partiality. Right? Partiality. That's the meaning. So pakshapatam kurvate tasmai. That will be there. Pakshapatam is a karma for the Kriya. Te tasmai saha pakshapatam karoti. Tasmai esha kupyati. Two sentences are joined. So karmani would be kupyate.
Taya kupyate.
Taya kupyate. What will happen to this pakshapatam kurvate tasmai? Nothing will happen.
The same.
Remain as it is. Pakshapatam kurvate tasmai taya kupyate. Listen, I'm doing a lot of examples myself. In fact, you are supposed to do it. It's okay. Next one. Patadbhyaha chatrebhyaha alasaha asuyanti. Alasaha means lazy people. Asuyanti is
Jealous.
yes, they cavil, they're jealous. Asuya. Asuya namate loka andena tamasa vritaha. Asuyanti comes in Gita. Hey, Anasuya. And Bhavan addresses Anasuya. Anasuyave. In where it is Anasuyave? Anasuyave, it is in to you. Who is Anasuyave? Aham this Upadesham Dadami iti. So Anasuyave iti is in Sampradana Karaka. So where is it Anasuyave? Which chapter?
Rajavidya Raj. Ninth.
Huh? Ninth.
Probably
just-
ninth.
Maybe. What is the shloka? Just thinking. Ninth chapter, first shloka is. What is the front of the book? Let me know.
Rajavidya Raj.
Idam te gugyatamam. Proktavan anasuyave. No, it is in fourth. I don't know. I will check that. Suddenly it doesn't come to my mind. Imam Proktavan anasuyave. Imam Vivasvatam Yoham Proktavan anasuyave. It's not the fourth chapter?
Fourth.
I think so, fourth. Maybe in other places also, maybe there. Not sure. But Anasuyave means, I mean, in the fourth chapter, that comes to my mind. Anasuyave, because I taught you this, that is the Saṃskṛtam Karka, Anasuyave. Therefore, it must get connected. So it must be fourth chapter. I'm not sure. Vivasvate yogam proktavan agamabhigam vivasvan manave praha. No, it is not there. Okay, sorry, it's not there. Out in there, it is not. Anasuyave is not there. Maybe as she said, ninth chapter. Shloka is, yeah, idam tute gugyatamam rakshami anasuyave. Ninth chapter, first shloka. Yes. Jnana vijnana sagitam yajnatva mukhyasya shubha. There also, idam tute gugyatamam rakshami anasuyave. Anasuya. Anasuyave. There it is Namapada, Anasuyave. Anasuyave, if it is Imam Gugyatamam Anasuyave Rakshami. Then what is the Vivakti there? Anasuyave, I mean, what is the Pradipadika? Anasuyave is Chaturthi, right?
Anusuyavan.
Huh?
Asuyavan.
Asuyavan. How can it be Asuyavan?
Mm.
Anasuyave, right?
Anasuya. Yeah.
It is
But-
Anasuyave.
Anasuya.
Chaturthi. So if it is Anasuyave, then what could be the Pradipadika?
Anasuyavat.
So it is like Maruta.
Mm.
I don't think so. It is like not like Marut. So Anasuyave must be Suyave. It is Chaturthi. The Pratyaya is one minute. Let me think. Anasuyave. What Shabda should be? Anasuyave. Not like Maruta. Okay. You cannot just take like Marut. Anyway, I'm just moving from this. It's okay. This is something interesting. Anasuyave. What is a Pradipadikam? Like thinking. Should be Anasuya. Of course, not like Rama Shabda, Rama, Anasuya. Or Anasuyave. Let me check. I have to check this. Anasuyave. Idam tate gugyatamam proktavanaham abhigam asman. Sorry. Idam tate gugyatamam prakshami anasuyave. Anasuya. Let me check how it is derived. Dosha Ragitaya ityartaha. But Dosha Ragitaya, okay. But how the word? Asuya. Asuya is a Nasuya, Anasuya. So Anasuya.
Suya is showing a sacrifice or
Anasuya.
liberation.
Hmm. Okay, let me check. No, this is interesting. I'll find out. It's maybe a simple thing. It doesn't come to my mind immediately. So when mind is, you need some space. Anyway,
यस्य धनमस्ति सः धनवान् तो यस्य अनसूया अस्ति सः अनसूयवान्.
you're saying Ana Asuya Vatu.
Vatu
Oh, Dhanavantu. Possible. Why not? Yeah. Asuyavat Shabda. Asuyave is right? Yes. Asuyavat. Asuyavan, Asuyavanto, Asuyavantaha. Asuyavantam, Asuyavanto, Asuyavataha. Asuyavata, Asuyavadyam, Asuya Vadbihi. Asuyavate. Asuyavate will come, right? Not Anasuyave will not come. That's why the Shabda is. It is like. Is there any word Asuyu? If it is Ukaranta Shabda like Guru Shabda, Gurave, Asuyave possible. Anasuyu. Asuyu. Maybe, I don't know, I'll check that. Anyway, we'll go somewhere else. Anyway, let me check that later. How that word comes. Very interesting. Or I think Anasuya is a compound. Asuya na vidyate, right? Yasya. Kasya Arjuna. You're talking about Arjuna. So Asuya na vidyate yasya saha Anasuyaha. Tasmai. When we say it is Tasmai, when you say Anasuya, then Tasmai is Ramaya Anasuyaya, but it is not Anasuyaya. It is Anasuyave. It's a Bhagavati, of course, that much is clear. Asuya na vidyate yasya saha Anasuyaha. That much is known. But Chaturthi of that will be Anasuyaya. Maybe this is Chandasam also. This is Ashta Prayaga. Anasuyaya. Asuyave is equal to, we have to take it as Anasuyaya. That is how we have to take it. Maybe a Chandasam, because I don't see any other way of coming this. The compound Anasuyave is, that is, it's a Ranji Bhagavati compound. So therefore, talking about the person who doesn't have Asuya. So Asuya is the, Anasuya is the word. Ranji Bhagavati. Asuyaha na vidyate yasya saha Anasuyaha tasmai Anasuyave. Anasuyaya must come, but Anasuyave is maybe Asha Prayoga. That's what I think now. If anything is there, let me tell you later. Okay. Anyway, this is sorry for the distraction. This is something that suddenly came. There are also Anasuyave Chaturthi. That is the point. Okay. Saṃskṛtam. You see that shloka, it's 9th chapter, first shloka, and 4th chapter shloka also, both in the shloka, Bhagavan says, Uktavan Prarakshami. Therefore, to whom it is, Upadesha is given, that person will be Saṃskṛtam, right? There it is Manave Praha, to Manave, to Mana, Manu is taught, right? Manave is a Chaturthi. And here it is Aham Pravakshami, Anasuye to you, Tubhyam, I taught you. Idam, this karma. I will teach, what I will teach, idam, this is karma, I is a karta. To whom? To you, Anasuyave. To whom it is given, Saṃskṛtam Karakatva Chaturthi. The same thing in the 4th chapter also. There also Bhagavan says, right? Imam Vivasvate Yogam Proktavan Agam Abhyayam Vivasvan Manave Praha. So Manu it taught. That Manave is okay. Manu is Ukaranta Shabda, Manave, like Guru Shabda. But here, Anasuyave, though I have covered the entire Subanta Prakriya, for the advanced classes, but still, you see, always you will have something. There's something is you can say we have completed. Never. Anyway, but I have, for your information, I'm saying I've completed the entire Subanta Prakriya. The entire Subanta, all the Shabdas. Whatever Shabda you think of, all those Shabdas, everything, the Vyakarana, the Niyamas, I covered. Anyway, now let us do this. Patadbyaha Chatrebhyaha. This is also Chaturthi. So, as I said, when there is the emotions are directed, whether it is Krodha or love or Asuya also emotions. Then to whom it is directed, that will be Sampradana Karaka. So, Patedbyaha Chatrebhyaha. Alasaha, the lazy students. They cavil. But translation will be like this. Lazy students cavil at the students who are studying. Say the same sentence, if it is given in English, you will have difficulty in translating. You will really struggle. But Saṃskṛtam to English is easy. But you have to think, even if it was given in English, you should be able to think correctly in Saṃskṛtam. That is a real thing, a real talent. I mean, that is what we can say. You really learned Saṃskṛtam. Even if it is given in Saṃskṛtam, in English, you have to think, you should be able to see that, in Saṃskṛtam, through Saṃskṛtam. English translation would be, lazy people cavil at the students who are studious. This will be the English translation. Then can you think of translating like this? We'll make it more complicated by adding something. It's here simple, only 4 words. Patadbyaha Chatrebhyaha Alasaha Asuyanti. Right? This should be practiced from English to Saṃskṛtam. It's a good exercise. We will do hand-turn all those sentences. Fine. Coming back here. Asuyanti. Now, Karmani. Asuyanti, the dhatu is Asuyanti. Don't think Asuya is meant here. There's a dhatu in the 10th Gana, I think. Asuyanti. It must be 10th Gana, I think. Or maybe the Kandvadi Gana. The dhatu could be Kandvadi Gana. Asuyanti. Okay. Karmani Prayoga would be
Alasaihi.
I think Kandvadibhyaha Yak. By that, this may come. Asuyanti. Asuyanti is something special dhatu. I don't see it. It's dhatu in 10th Gana. Anyway, Karmani would be challenging. Yes.
Alasaihi asuyate.
I'll make it like that. But I need to check. I'm not sure about the form. Alasaihi Asuyate.
Asuyate.
Make it Asuyate.
Hmm.
But this dhatu rupam itself, I have to check. Okay. Fine. And Patadbyaha Chatrebhyaha, that will remain as it is. Sampradana Karakam, therefore. Patadbyaha Chatrebhyaha. Alasaihi Asuyate. Oh, many other. Chapter 98. Just 5 more. Quickly we'll do it. Kridadbyaha Balakebhyaha Pataha na rochate. Okay, here also another thing comes up. I said quickly, but anyway. Tell me, what is that meaning?
Children who are interested, who
What
are
prayoga
playing,
is that?
not
What prayoga
interested.
is that?
Balakebhyaha.
Tell me the prayoga.
Karmani.
Karmani Prayoga.
No. Karmani prayoga means yak should come, right? Dhatu is ruchi dhatu.
Rochate.
It should be ruchyate or something. But rochate is there. Dhatu is ruchi
This
dhatu.
is
Rochate
Atmanepadi.
atmanepadi. Where is yak? Yak is not seen there. How can you say Karmani?
Okay.
This is a special thing we have to note. Okay. Kaha na rochate? That you tell.
Pataha na rochate.
Bottom na rochate.
See, what is in Prathama Vibhakti? Pataha.
Pataha.
Pataha na rochate. I mean, lesson doesn't like the plain students. Is it the translation?
Oh, Balakebhya. No.
Balakebhya.
How do you translate that?
Tritiya.
Playing children
Pataha
don't like
na
children.
rochate. Lesson do not like the playing boys. The boys who are playing. Is it like that? No.
Opposite way.
Please note. Rochate is a special dhatu that will have karma in Prathama Vibhakti, but therefore you cannot say it is Karmani Prayas. Okay. And Rocha means like for something. Right? Kasmai, for whom, that will be in Chaturthi. Kasmai rochate, na rochate, balakebhyaha. Karta is put in Chaturthi. Please note. Karma is put in Prathama. Karta is put in Chaturthi. Karma will be in Prathama. This is how the Ruch Dhatu is something special. You need to note. Ruch Dhatu, taste. Right? Rochate, rochete, rochante. So translation would be
Playing children don't like.
Playing boys
do not like the lesson. Yes. Playing children have dislike for the lessons. Playing children have dislike for the lesson. That's how you have to do it. Suppose I don't like apple. I don't like fruit, or whatever it is. How do you say it? Makhyam phalam na rochate. Means what? I don't like. I don't like the fruit. Translation will be I don't like the fruit. Makhyam aham, I karta chittiya. What I don't like? Phalam, karma will be in.
Phalam.
Right? Somebody doesn't like me. Then what you do? Tasmai doesn't like me. Aham na roche. Understand? Here aham is what? Karma. So tasmai is him. For him, I am not likable. It means he doesn't like me. Understand? Whether like me or na roche or roche, whatever it is. Is it clear? So karma is put in Prathama and karta will be in Tritiya. This is something special for the Ruch Dhatu. Please note. So rochate, kaha rochate, kim rochate.
Guruji.
Sorry?
Tasmai aham na roche or rochate?
No. Aham is Uttam Purusha. Rochate, rochete, rochante. Rochase, rochete, rochadve. Roche. Roche only. Why rochate? And then what will come? Pataha na rochate. Then what you will say here? Pataha is Prathama Purusha. Therefore Prathama Purusha here. Aham is Uttama Purusha. Therefore roche. Suppose he doesn't like you. Tasmai tvam na rochase. Understand? In keeping with the karma, the vachanam has to be. Understand? Okay. This is something interesting. Please note. Now, karmani prayoga of that, okay. I have not come across at all, but anyway, I have to make a guess only. I'm not sure. So I will make like this. Pataha only. The rule is karma will be in karma. That which is in here, pataha. So this part I will leave it. Okay, I'm not sure because I've never come across this. Pataha in Prathama. Pataha na ruchyate. Tas kridadbhyaha. Yeah. I've never come across any sentence also. So I have to check that. Ruchyate. It's an interesting. This is my homework. I will do it. Okay. Na ruchyate. or we have to use our common sense to see. We can see, discuss, and we can do it quickly, but there is a quickly answer. Na rochate, na ruchyate, ruchdatu, na ruchyate. What is abhigita by rochate? Pataha. In karmani, the abhigita and anabhigita is a condition. Okay. Forget about karta and karma. Abhigita, I mean, of course, karta, karma, abhigita, anabhigita. Pataha is abhigita, rochate. In karmani, pata is not abhigita. So therefore, I think it must go in tritiya. Or because it is karma, karma cannot go in tritiya. Anabhigita karma will be dutiya. So patam na rochate. This is what I think. Okay. And kridadbhyaha, that will be, I think it is chaturthi. Or yeah, anabhigita, because it's chaturthi. I think that will be same. That will not undergo change. Kridadbhyaha, bala kebhyaha, patam na rochate. This is what I think. I'm not sure. I'll check that. I'll keep this open. Patam na ruchyate. My logic for saying patam is it becomes anabhigita. And kridadbhyaha balakebhyaha, anyway, it is in chaturthi, that remains as chaturthi. It's a logic. Anyway, okay. Fine. Let's go to the next one. Vegena agachyataha yanat mama bhitihi. Kriyapadam is mama bhitihi asti. So, mama bhitihi asti. Mama bhitihi asti will be the mama bhitihi. Bhitihi bhuyate, we have to say. Mama bhitya bhuyate otherwise. Karmani. Let us not do the karmani here. Just understand the sentence. Vegena agachyataha yanat. Vegena agachyataha. Agachyataha yanat.
Speeding vehicle.
Yeah. Agachyataha is panchami. So agachyataha yanam. Agachyat yanam. Yanam is napumsakalinga. Agachyataha yanat panchami. Vegena is speedily, right? So it is adverbial. Please note. Vegena, it is in adverbial tritiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Kriya visheshanam. Vegena. Kriya visheshanam will be karma. Karmatvam vidya. Here we can say it is, yeah, kriya visheshanam. Vegena agachyataha. Katam agachyataha. Vegena agachyataha. Speedily. So it is kriya visheshanam. Yeah. This also I will check. Okay. There's something interesting because there is it's two sentences. I will do it. I'll keep it for my home. I don't know where to find it. Let us see. I'm not converting this into karmani. Vegena agachyataha yanat mama bhitihi asti. Yanat. So mama bhitihi. So why it is panchami? Because fear is fear will go on from what you fear, afraid of. That will be panchami. So yanam vegena agachyati.
Agachyati.
So vegena is adverbial, but vegena, why it is tritiya? I have to check. Okay. It's okay. We are using tritiya only. See, vegena, mandena, tritiya also can be used, but that's a rule. If it is kriya visheshanam, then karmatvam vishyate and it will be napumsakalinga jivachanantatvam. There's one vartika, by that it happens. But anyway, this tritiya also I will check. There are some kriya visheshanam, it will be in tritiya. So this is one. But anyway, this is, I will check this. What type of tritiya it must be. Or prakritya dibhyaha upasankhyanam. By that it is tritiya possible. There is one gana pata where these words are read. So I have to check that. Okay. Since a long time I also did not read this, so I don't remember. Okay. This also I will check. That is, I said I will check for Vegena. Vegena, why it is Tritiya. Okay. Then next one, 95. I think we'll stop here. Yeah, yeah, tell me. Hmm? Sorry? You're saying something?
No, Guruji.
Okay. Okay, I think we'll stop here because some more, some more discussion comes, then we have to just cannot do it quickly. We'll do it next class. Okay. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha
Dhanyavad Guruji.
Dhanyavad Guruji.
Ruchyartanam Priyamanaha. By that sutra only, what is liked, that will be karma.
Chatu.
That will be Pratama Bhakti.
Oh, that will
And the who becomes happy, pleased, that will be Sampradana. It's a rule. The one who likes, that will be Sampradana. That's why we are putting in Chaturthi Bhakti. It's a rule. So Sutra, Karaka, that's all Chaturthi Sutra. Sampradana Karaka, when do you say? Ruchyartanam Priyamanaha Sutram Asti. By that it is Sampradana, therefore Chaturthi Bhakti. Okay. Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad Guruji.
Dhanyavad Guruji.